On top of that, throughout this time, his whole family is protected, and they're getting in this case, it was like about he started off with about 4 million in death benefit. By the time he's 120, his family is getting close to about 38 million in death benefit, right? And that's income tax free,
Wow.
right? So it's really taking generational wealth to the next level, right? And so and that was for him, and he was like, well, what if I want to be able to also potentially buy another business too, right? And so we showed him how, let's say in a certain number of years, right, with his wife's portfolio, we were able to do the same type of insurance, but now he wanted to be able to leverage a portion of it to be able to potentially buy a business. And instead of going to the bank to get lending options, right, and he's able to potentially use his own insurance to be able to lend to himself, right?
Wow.
And so not only was his insurance used to cover retirement, it would be able to hedge against, for to build a family legacy, but now also for being able to be a business bank, right? Um, and now we're also exploring ways for, as he's potentially buying another business, um, to be able to leverage this in certain type of cash balance plans, so that can be a deduction in his current active business income for retirement plan, but there's a life insurance component that's actually in place inside there, right? And he's able to take it out after 5 years potentially, um, to be able to buy his insurance out of that, and he'll be able to get not only tax pre-tax dollars, but now it'll be tax-free dollars as well too. So it's very
But
creative. It truly allowed him to be able to protect his retirement and income from taxes, protect his family, and actually multiply their wealth, right? But very creatively protected his, overall portfolio, and has continued to grow.
sounds like an incredible solution. Um, Another basic kind of question, and I don't think we covered this, what do you think when people approach you are the biggest misconceptions of either annuities or life insurance?